In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to your navigation Squarespace. We'll walk through the exact clicks in the interface and share a few quick tips along the way so your menu looks clean and professional. Start on your Squarespace home panel. From here, open the website section to get to the site settings and content. This is the hub where you control what appears on your live site. Once you're in, go straight to Pages. Pages is where your site structure lives, including the main navigation area that powers the top menu most visitors use. You'll see sections like Main Navigation, Not Linked, and sometimes Footer. We're focusing on Main Navigation for a visible primary menu item. In the Main Navigation section, click the plus icon to create something new. A menu opens with different item types. Choose Link. This option is perfect when you want your menu to point to a destination that isn't a standard Squarespace page, such as an external website, a document, a calendar, or a special campaign URL. Give your new link a clear, concise title. This title is what your visitors will read in the menu, so keep it short and descriptive. Think shop, blog, contact, or our partners. You can always adjust capitalization and style later in your site's design settings, but the wording here controls what appears. Paste the full web address into the link field. For external sites, include the complete HTTPS address to avoid redirect issues. If you're linking to a page within your own site, you can paste that URL or start typing the page name and select it from the suggestions. Many templates also include an optional setting to open the link in a new tab, which is handy for external destinations. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new link appears immediately in Main Navigation. If you want to change its position, just drag and drop it to reorder. Placing the most important items toward the beginning of the list usually improves usability. Take a quick look at your live site to confirm the link displays as expected on desktop and mobile. If it's too long or wraps to a second line, shorten the title for a cleaner look. And if you ever want it hidden but not deleted, move it to Not Linked instead of removing it. That's it. You've added a polished navigation link in Squarespace, ready for visitors to click.